What's up? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name's Jess. Doing a little get ready with me today. Tomorrow's Thanksgiving. Doing something tonight with friends. I'm gonna do a little get ready with me, show hair and makeup. I wanna try something different with my hair. Heatless curls with the robe tie. I just got this Tangle teaser brush. Really recommend. It's so good. I'm gonna start doing the robe curls. I've watched a few videos on how to do these. I'm just gonna perfect my part since it's a little uneven. So once I just have my even part, I'm just going to take my robe tie and place it on the center of my head. Going to be taking small sections of hair at a time, curling it away from my face. And I'm just going to be taking another section and adding it to that existing one I took before. And just curl it around. So I'm just going to take a little bit from the back, just taking really small sections. Add it to that existing section and just wrap it around. I'm gonna see what happens. We're gonna see if it works. I'm just gonna continuously take sections and wrap it around. And I'm alternating taking sections from the back or the front. So I just took one from the back, added it into the existing hair chunk, wrapped it around. Now I'm taking some from the front here, adding it to the existing section and wrapping it around. And I'm just gonna continue doing that until I run out of hair on this side, and then I'll do it on the other side. I'm just going to twist it up and wrap this around a bit. And I'm just going to tuck this in so it doesn't fall out. So I think that'll work. And I'm just going to repeat that on the other side. I think another way you can do this, instead of just adding it to the section, I'm taking hair from the back, you could cross it over like this and wrap it around. So I don't know, maybe I'll try it differently on both sides and we'll see how it comes out. I almost think when I do it with this technique, I'm kind of like braiding the rope tie into my hair almost. Now I'm taking a section from the front and just crossing it over and adding to that existing section. And I'm just gonna keep repeating this. And we'll see how different it looks from the other side of my head. Some people were taking a little hair tie and tying it around the hair here so that it's more secure. I'm gonna wrap these around. I hope this comes out good, honestly, but we'll see. This one feels less secure. I'm hoping it works. So I'm gonna start the makeup. I use a Real Techniques beauty sponge. I'm taking the Maybelline Fit-Me foundations. I like to mix the Dewy and Smooth 120 shade and then the Matte and Poreless 110. So I just like to put it directly onto my beauty sponge. I would say this is a medium coverage foundation. Cover up most of my acne marks or active pimples. It does a pretty good job. I'm gonna take the shade 10 Fair and just cover up some of my acne marks or pimples. Take the shade 5 and just put a few dots under my eyes. And I'm also going to put a little bit on my eyelids. I'm going to go in with the Maybelline Fit-Me powder. This is in the shade 110. And I just use this to set my eyelids because I definitely crease on my eyelids if I don't. So this really helps with that. I have two different bronzers I usually go back and forth with. The Hoola bronzer, OG, love this, been using it forever. The mini size that I have here literally lasts so long. And then the Physicians Formula Butter bronzer. I'm just gonna take the EcoTools brush and the Hoola, just start putting it all over my forehead and my cheekbones. this side is like really falling a lot. I don't think I did a good job wrapping it. I just had to tie it up a little bit. Warm up the top of my cheekbone area, almost using it more as a blush. I'm taking the e.l.f. blending eye brush with a little bit of the Hoola bronzer and just using it as an eyeshadow. And I'm just going to put a little bit on my lower lash line area. Like this just adds a nice dimension to my eyes. With an e.l.f. eye crease brush, I'm going to use this just to slightly contour my nose. For highlighter, I've been using this for a while now, the Elate Cosmetics eye color in the shade Lumen. Taking this Eco Tools brush and just taking a really small amount. I like to follow the natural highlight of my nose, so I just do a little dot at the tip and then a little line down the middle. And I'll also take a little bit and put it under my brow bone. With an e.l.f. powder brush, I'll put a little bit of the highlighter on my cheekbones. So that's basically it for the base makeup, foundation, concealer, highlighter, bronzer. Now I'm gonna go in with the eye makeup. Sometimes I'll just do mascara, sometimes I will do winged eyeliner. I've been doing eyeliner almost every single time I do makeup. This is my favorite drugstore liquid liner. I've tried a few, but I feel like this one works pretty good. It's the Wet n Wild Mega Liner. First I'm gonna curl my eyelashes. I have this Revlon eyelash curler. I'm gonna do a really small baby wing. Taking my Maybelline Lash Stiletto mascara. I'm just gonna do the same thing on the other eye and then I'll be right back. I'm going to take the black eyeshadow from Elate Cosmetics in the shade Stillness. I have this angled Eco Tools brush. Take just a small amount of the black eyeshadow. I think I'm just going to put a small amount of mascara on the bottom lashes. Take the Maybelline Brow Ultra Slim. This is in the shade Blonde. And lastly, I'm just going to take the Maybelline Color Sensational Lip Liner. This is in the shade 130 Dusty Rose. I really just line the bottom one. I don't really line the top one so much. Laneige Lip Glowy Balm in the berry flavor. And that is it for the makeup. I'm gonna let my hair sit in this longer. I feel like it needs like probably at least an hour, especially since I have naturally pretty straight hair. If your hair holds a curl naturally better, you probably don't even have to leave it in that long. I'm gonna take these out now. This one's like falling out. It's been in for over an hour. Looks like we're off to a good start. I'm not expecting these to be like dramatic, but maybe a little loose wave, a little extra volume. I feel like it's not bad. This side definitely curled better. This is the side that I did the other technique on, where I took it and like crossed it over, which I feel like is what I saw in one of the videos. And I feel like it's more like a wave. This one looks more like an actual curl. Yeah, it definitely worked better on this side. I'm just rewrapping the other side a little bit. See if I could try to get it a little less saggy. I'm gonna let these sit in for a bit longer, take them out again, and do the re-reveal of the Robe tie Heatless Curls. So it's been a little more time now. I'm gonna take it out for the second time now. This was the side that I felt like didn't come out as good the first time, so let's hope it's all good this time. Right, definitely a big improvement from the first time. I'm gonna brush through it just to give it a little more of a loose look. Honestly, not bad for heatless curls. Overall, pretty good. Just got changed. I'm trying to figure out how to style a turtleneck. Put on some of the gold rings that I recently bought from Etsy. I made a little blog post all about it, so I'll link that below if you guys are interested in any of these rings. Have on some jeans, the sweater over the turtleneck. This is definitely a little different for me, but I feel like it's cute. I'm kind of into that preppy style I've been noticing come back. Tucked the turtleneck into my bra so that you can't see it peeking through here since this is a cropped sweater. And I just have on these jeans. A lot of this stuff I purchased on Poshmark. The jeans are Abercrombie Curve Love straight leg jeans that I got on Poshmark a while ago. And the sweater I actually got a while ago at Urban Outfitters. A bit older, but it's just a classic knit sweater. The turtleneck is just a plain long sleeve white turtleneck. It's from Abercrombie. Bought it on Poshmark. The hair came out pretty good. Not even uncomfortable to have that in my hair for a few hours. I'll show you guys my hair from the back. So hope you all enjoyed. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you on my next video.